let it be a journey, let it be a process where each day comes like a treasure hunt and you are just playing the game. Hi beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. My name is Ankita, your friend over here, back again with another video for all of you. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and be part of this tribe. It really helps us to reach to more people and also we can be connected over here. Please do subscribe. In this video, I will be talking about how to choose what really matters to you despite whatever is happening in your life. I have actually recorded one video before this which you might have seen last week, and if not, please go and watch that video because you will find lot of interconnectedness in both the videos. Over there in that video, I was talking about why it's important not to give up and react to the situation. What inspired me to actually record this video? Let me tell you something. As I was doing that, I'm already having a little headache and I was feeling little heavy. But despite whatever I was feeling, despite that situation made me feel like, Ankita, let's not do it. But I also knew this is the only day I can record the video. I'm caught up with lot of things in coming days. So today was the space where I was like, I have to do this thing when there is an off day for me. But somehow there was a headache I was going through. But I was like, how does that matter? I'll just be in the moment, just focus and do the things that is needed. And I just showed up. The reason I was telling to you all this is because sometimes there are situations which makes you feel like not doing things that is needed. Most of the time it happens when we want to do certain things, we also experience other challenges. I know after this video what I'm gonna experience. Despite whatever is going to happen, I have to show up. This is the power of discipline. And this is how you actually do the things. You have to show up despite your feelings, despite the circumstances that you are experiencing around. Okay, just be in my shoe and understand what situation I am into. I am also putting so much of energy and efforts to record this video. But I know whatever is happening should not rub towards my video, so I'm also maintaining certain things. And this is not just about video. Lately I have seen a tremendous and great thing around me. There were a lot of things that was happening around me where I felt like I just want to sleep, I don't want to show up. I was faced with certain situation where I just felt like not showing up and just being by myself in the hermit zone. But I did not had option. I have to show up despite whatever I was going through. And this is not just about this video. This was also happening at the work front. I was feeling like, oh my god, this is not supporting, that is not supporting. I was in a bad health in between. But despite everything, I was like, this is a commitment. This is just about showing up. This is about choosing the things that needs to be done. And mostly we do opposite of it. We let our feelings, emotion and outer situation actually dictates how we perform. As you grow, as you are faced with more responsibility, you will realize like that's not how actually life works. And I think that's the only difference between the people who do and who don't do. Because the people who does certain things, they just show up despite that situation is in their favor or not. So I was asked this question like what I should do differently, and I just told like show up, be disciplined and committed despite whatever is happening. Because I feel like we go through a lot of things in a day. There can be high moment, there can be low moments, but whatever the moment is, whatever the situation is, what is really needed is you show up. Because I think the more you have this attitude of showing up, what I have realized from my journey and experience is most of the time, if not always, showing up actually takes care of everything. It's not about you being perfect. It's not about you knowing everything. It's not about you doing certain things always in a certain way. Sometimes your presence, sometimes you showing up, and sometimes you just taking that responsibility makes all the difference. This might sound cliche, this might sound as if it's just an ordinary or random thing, but you will realize once you practice this thing, this is what actually creates a difference. There are days when my body is hurting like anything, but because there are ritual, there is habit involved in my lifestyle, I show up. Maybe I'll not do extreme of what I am doing on my other days, but I'll at least do something over there. So if you practice this little thing in your day to day life, you will see over the period of time, it will definitely have some impact. And I feel life is not just about doing thing in one day. It's a continuous habit and a process. Whatever you want to do, make it as a habit, make it as a ritual. And more you do all this thing, you will realize like it is becoming a default nature. Now even if the situation is not in your favor, you will perform. And this is what I have found with my journey also. I feel like this is the little things that makes the difference. It's the little steps that you do each and every day that helps you to keep on going. You know what I also realized is, it's actually about a journey. It's never about a destination. If you actually reach to the destination and if you're not happy, you will realize like, was it even worth it? But if you enjoy the journey, if you actually do things that you are really passionate about, it can sound repetitive at times on my videos and podcasts, but this is a fact. If you enjoy the journey, you will just feel like even if you don't reach to any destination, you're feeling good about it, because destination is so subjective. Maybe you're aspiring for so little, you're meant for more than you can even think about. But what we do is we feel like if we achieve this thing, the world is ours. But you don't know how big the world is. But you will only know this if you're enjoying the journey, if you're consistent, and if you don't give up. Sometimes I remind myself the same thing. I say to myself like, Ankita, whatever you're asking for, maybe it's so little. You're destined for so much more. But how you will come to know if you're meant for more or less? Only if you keep on going, only if you show up and you take consistent actions. Because it's so easy to give up when situations are tough, when nothing is going in your favor. One thing I can say, kudos to all of you who just showed up, especially during the time when it was tough, because it takes lot of resilience, lot of efforts, and lot of self-discipline to actually perform and show up when nothing is going in your favor. I can say this because I have also experienced certain things. But one thing I realized when I reflect certain thing is just about doing certain things and choosing what is needed over comfort, over giving up. Because whenever we are faced with anything feels little uncomfortable, our instant reaction is, let's not do it. Let's just, postpone it. Let's give up. But that's the difference what I have found. People who are successful and people who struggle is just this, they show up. It's also true, not all your efforts will be converted or will be fruitful. But despite whatever is happening, you have to show up. And this is not that I am perfect and I'm always doing this. I am also work in progress. I also try to do all these things. And from there I am telling you, don't see me as an expert who is just telling you to do all these things. This is just a reminder, and I feel like sometimes all we need is just to hear this out. So even I try and practice doing all this thing that I say over here. Not that I am perfect and I always show up. There are days when even I struggle. But just be compassionate and show up again. Don't be so critical like, why I haven't done this when it was needed. It's okay. Have that grace, have that compassion during the journey. Because if you become too critical about yourself, there are high chances you won't be able to sustain certain things. So sustainability is all about doing certain things consistently and not just seeing the immediate result. There is something called delayed gratification, and I feel that's the best reward to have. It's okay and to know everything immediately, because life will just become boring if you know everything. Let it be a journey, let it be a process where each day comes like a treasure hunt and you are just playing the game. Once you approach your life and situation this way, I feel you will walk longer and you will be in the game for long. And that's what it is about. The game chess is not about who finishes it first. I think it's just about being consistent and being there, because we are just one move away from check and mate, right? So life is just like a chess. Be in the game. As long as you are there, there can be one turn which just turns the game. So just see your life as a game of chess. As long as you are in the game, any move can help you win. All I want to say is practice all these things, whatever I have said, and even I'll do that. I'll come back to this video also. Most of the time when I make this kind of content, it's also because I need to hear that. That's how I show up and that's how I do, because there is no fixed agenda like I'll say this only and I'll say that only. Most of the time even I am clueless what will come from inside, and you will see there are a lot of flaws in my videos also, because I'm just talking my heart out. I have not scripted the video. I have not thought beforehand like this is how it should be. I let word flow. Just the way we have conversation with friend, that's how I show up and have conversation with you all virtually, just as if I'm having a conversation with my friend. So this is how you actually do things, my friends. And I hope that all this video actually helps you and inspires you in your journey and in your life. I would really love to know and hear how it's impacting you. Is it creating a difference in your life? And if yes, in what way and form? I always read your comment, so please comment and let me know what do you think about this video. And please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me and inspires me to make all this video for all of you, and I'm truly grateful for each one of your presence. It means a lot for me. Because of you all, I'm able to do this, so thanks a ton from all my heart. I'm looking forward to connect with all of you in my next video. Sending you lots of love and light. Signing off from my side. Until next time, keep shining bright. Bye bye.